Welcome back to Motovan TV. Today we're going to proceed to the unboxing of the new Pro City tank bag from SW-Motech. So Bart, as we can see here,
nice design.
Nice design.
Yeah,
the new,
I really like it.
Pro Series, they did a really amazing job.
I think we can say that the design is really stylish. I really like it. It seems to be like a very solid quality.
Yeah, constructed of ballistic nylon.
Okay.
So it will be very durable.
What about the storage capacity?
So right now the Pro City is 11 to 14 liter capacity. So it's set up for 11 liters. But here there's a zip that we can see here.
Oh, so you are able like to expand the bag?
Expand it exactly up to 14 liters. So you get all this much more space available.
That's very nice. So we have like the main storage here.
Main compartment, yes.
We have like an extra pocket right here.
Additional pockets in the inside, integrated in the cover, and two little pockets on each side here.
And we have also like two littles on the side.
Yes, two compartments on each side.
The bag comes with another bag actually in there.
This is a rain cover basically because
the
bag is water resistant,
so it is not waterproof. But with the shell, it becomes waterproof.
100% waterproof, yes.
Okay. And I see like the top of the bag is transparent. Is there any reason?
Exactly. So here, as you can see, there's an accessory for either a map or an iPad or your phone. You just slide this here on top of the bag, tie this right here to secure it into space, and there you go.
Okay.
So you have your map and or your iPad right here.
Or a phone or
a phone, exactly.
Anything you would like.
Exactly.
Okay. So Fred, one thing we didn't mention is how do you attach the bag to the motorcycle?
Yes, great question. Basically, every bag comes with a special adapter like this.
Okay.
So if you flip it upside down, you can see here, this comes here. And it could be, of course, adjusted more frontwards or backwards, depending the shape of your tank or your motorcycle. And then to fix this onto your motorcycle, you need to purchase a model-specific Pro Tank bag ring, which this will be fixated at your gas tank cap on your motorcycle. And then what it does, it's magnetic.
Okay, yeah.
And as you can see,
super easy.
Yeah, super easy, and it won't come off. And easy to take out after, easy to put back on.
All right, so I think it concludes the unboxing of the SW-Motech Pro Tank Bag.
And if you want to see the different sizes and models available in the Pro Series, and also to check out which tank ring you need for your specific model, please visit motovan.com.
And if you guys like the video, please subscribe to our channel. You can also find us on social media, on Instagram and Facebook at Motovan Inc.